How to save my TikTok draft video in gallery without posting. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. Look for the plus button at the bottom center of your screen and tap on it. This is how you start making a new video. Press the record button to start recording your video. When you're finished recording, simply tap on the record button. Now, tap on the checkmark to finish up your video. If you want to jazz up your video with stickers, text, or other cool stuff, you can do that now. Just tap next when you're done. Here's the important part. Instead of hitting the post button, look for the word drafts down in the corner and tap on it. If you want to see your saved drafts later, just go to your profile. There's a folder where you'll find them. If you want to go back and make changes to your draft, just tap on it in the folder. If you make changes and want to save your draft again, just tap on drafts one more time. And there you have it. Saving your TikTok draft video in your gallery without posting is as easy as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.